Extraordinaires, this is Kish Johnson, your group leader, and I'm coming on here with a quick tutorial as to how to do a Facebook Live. My purpose for sharing this video is because I need you to be prepared to come and share your brilliant testimonies. I need you to be prepared to come and tell us about your business. Tell us what is so awesome and extraordinary about you. At some point, if you are part of this group, you will be doing a live. Yes, because this is now the way how people speak to the world. And it starts from just speaking to each other. So this is a private, closed group. Whatever you say in this group will not be aired on your personal Facebook page unless you share it. And whatever is shared in this group, it will not be something that everybody on Facebook can see. Okay, so just the members of this group will be able to see what it is that you post. So how to do a Facebook Live. Okay, so first of all, you want to make sure that you have your topic ready, researched, have your notes, have your pointers or your headers, and have it somewhere where you can glance on it while you're doing your live. So it's very important to just get your information ready first. After getting your information ready, you will need to have your cell phone battery charged, right? Battery charged and ready to go. Log into Facebook and go onto your profile page. That what's on your mind box on everybody's profile, which is where you share something, you post something, you say something. This is where you will find your live button. So I'm going to show you now. Take a look. So you want to come on your profile, go to the what's on your mind box, which is the input box. There you will see the symbol for live. And so we're just going to click on this. It takes you to a screen where you can see yourself. This is what your page would look like when you're ready to do your live. And you would type your description, what your video is about, right in the slot right here. Tap to add description. So now you have some masks to play with, filters and backgrounds. Now when you're sure the video looks the way you want it to look, then you go ahead and hit the start live video button, that blue section right there. Okay, and that's it. Now take a look at this. The to public, post and story, it's actually referring to where you want your live video to appear. So you can go private, you can go public, so those who are not your friends on Facebook can see. You can change the options right here on the side. If you look down, you'll see your groups. Select the group that you want the live video to appear in. But if you're in the Team of Extraordinaires group, all you'll have to do is go to the live button, just as though you were making a post, and then you would automatically be live from the group. But if you're on your personal Facebook page and you want to share a live with the Team of Extraordinaires, you would come here and select the group that you would desire to see your live video. Okay, I hope that's clear enough. So you can choose to post your live video to a group, or you can post it to friends or the public. This is the section for you to do so. You select your audience here. Okay? All right, I hope this helps you. This is how you do a live. It's that easy, guys. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Comment below, and we will take it from there. Now, I hope that you're getting ready with your hot topics for us to discuss